If you're looking for a way to streamline and manage your sales processes more effectively, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll be showing you how to use Process.st for sales process management, giving you a quick and actionable guide to get started. Stick around to the end, and I'll also share how you can use Process.st for free with some exclusive bonuses just for you. First, let's dive into what Process.st actually is. It's a powerful tool designed to help you document, track, and automate your processes. Whether you're managing a sales pipeline, onboarding new clients, or ensuring your team is on track, Process.st lets you set up step-by-step workflows to manage every aspect of your sales process. To begin, you'll start by creating a new template. This template will serve as the foundation of your sales process. Think of it as a checklist where you can outline every task or step in your sales workflow. Whether you're sending an email, making a follow-up call, or sending a proposal, you can document it all here. What's great is that Process.st allows you to create a template once and then reuse it for each new sales lead, saving you a ton of time and ensuring consistency. The next step is customizing your template. You can easily add different types of tasks like text fields, checkboxes, and drop-downs. These can be used to track information like lead status, contact information, or the stage of the deal. If you need to ensure certain fields are filled out before moving on, you can add conditional logic to make sure everything stays on track. Once your template is set up, you can create a workflow, which is where the magic happens. A workflow is simply a new instance of the template you've just created. When a new sales lead comes in, you can trigger a new workflow and begin executing all the tasks in the right order. You'll also be able to assign specific tasks to team members, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities. But it doesn't stop there. One of the most powerful features of Process.st is its automation capabilities. For example, when a task is completed, you can automatically trigger the next step in the workflow. Say you've completed a sales call. Now the next step could be to send a follow-up email, and Process.st can automate that process. For teams, collaboration is seamless. You can leave comments on tasks, attach files, and even get notified when something's been completed or when you need to review something. This keeps your entire sales team aligned and makes sure nothing slips through the cracks. And if you're using other tools in your sales tech stack, you'll be happy to know that Process.st integrates with many popular apps, including Salesforce, Zapier, and Slack. This means you can pull in data from other tools and make your workflows even more powerful. Now let's talk about tracking your progress. With Process.st, you can easily monitor the status of all your sales workflows. You'll see which tasks are complete, which ones are overdue, and which ones are upcoming. This level of visibility helps ensure you're always on top of your sales process and not missing any critical steps. If you're new to Process.st, you'll appreciate how user-friendly the interface is. You don't need any coding skills to set up your workflows. Everything is drag and drop, which makes it simple to design your sales process exactly the way you want it. To wrap up, using Process.st for sales process management is an efficient way to streamline your sales pipeline, ensure consistency, and boost productivity. It's a robust tool that offers powerful automation features, detailed tracking, and seamless collaboration, making it ideal for teams looking to optimize their sales process. Before you go, remember to check out the exclusive free trial for Process.st through the link in the description below. You'll get access to all the features I mentioned and more, so you can hit the ground running with your sales process. Don't miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your sales process with Process.st.